While the open roads always present certain dangers, there are plenty of ways to protect yourself. We're gonna share now many great safety tips for women truck drivers. Let's take a look. Plan ahead. Proper preparation is the key to a safe and efficient delivery. Plan out your route in great detail, being sure to consider local weather and any road closures. Planning can help you avoid delays while ensuring that you are prepared for rain, snow, or any other type of inclement weather. Park in a safe spot. Truck stops open 24/7 offer the perfect place to rest for many drivers. That said, it's always important to choose the safest parking spot possible. Most recommend parking somewhere near a light source. You should avoid parking far away from the main area also. If you end up needing to use the restroom, consider bringing along a whistle or a pepper spray. It's also best to always walk with confidence. Locking the truck. Make sure the locking system in your truck works perfectly before hitting the road. Even if you have found a safe parking spot, lock your truck whenever you leave and after you return. Some also recommend wrapping the passenger seatbelt around the door handle for an extra layer of protection. Make lots of noise. If you wake up to someone trying to break into your car, be sure to make lots of noise. Honk the horn, yell, and do whatever else you have to do to scare this person away. These noises will also alert other truckers nearby, who will hopefully call for help. Bring your pet. A dog will not only provide you company on the road, but they also offer great protection. You will likely feel much better walking to a rest stop at night with a dog at your side. Just be sure to check with your company and make sure they allow dogs in their trucks. Bring the right supplies. Intruders aren't the only thing to worry about while on the road. It's also important to bring the right safety supplies, like cones and flares, just in case you have to pull off the side of the road. You will also want to bring the equipment needed to take care of small repair issues, including jumper cables. Inclement weather can offer present problems. Be prepared for all types of weather by bringing a raincoat, boots, and warm coat. Also, keep plenty of snacks and drinks on hand, just in case you don't have anywhere nearby to stop for a bite to eat. Don't let possible safety issues steer you away from a truck driving career. Truck driving is an excellent career option no matter what your gender is. Just be sure to follow all the safety tips for women truck drivers while on the road. If you're looking for the best trucking company, contact Energy Trucking. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to motivate us to create more interesting content. See you. Till next time.